So I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is first of all set up the secure folder. Now if you don't know how to set up the secure folder, I'll leave a video linked in the description on how to set up a secure folder. So you can go and check that out first and then come back here with a setup secure folder and let's hide and lock some apps. So let's say you want to lock the YouTube app, for instance. All you have to do is go to secure folder, enter your passcode or PIN, and then add YouTube to the secure folder. So just tap on the plus icon and then select. So I'm going to add, let's say you also want to hide Spotify, for instance, and lock it. So just select it and tap on add. So once it's added to the secure folder, you can now go to your home screen and find if it's there and remove it, or from the app screen, just find it and get rid of it. So here's Spotify. I'm gonna long press on it and then select uninstall and confirm I want to uninstall. And I'll do the same for YouTube as well. Okay. Long press on it and I can choose to disable or uninstall. Let me choose disable. So once YouTube disappears from the app screen and the home screen, now the only way they can be accessed is through the secure folder, which of course has a password. So when you want to find or to use a locked app, you need to go to the secure folder, and of course that's password protected. So you have to enter the correct PIN or password and then launch that app from there. Okay, so that is basically how to hide and lock apps on your Galaxy Tab A11 from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching and good luck.